wondered how artificial intelligence is shaping our daily lives and career? Is it a friend that is helping us achieve more or a tool that is just scratching on the surface? What if I told you that AI could help you not only grow in your career but also help you rediscover your passions? This year, we can actually look forward to AI becoming the new normal part of our lives. Well, today in this episode, let's dissect the role of AI in 2025 and how you can harness its power for your professional and your professional for your personal and your professional life. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sonia, your host and companion on Thinking Thursdays, short and sweet. Yes, one consistent element. Grab your cups of coffee. We always start our episode with a cup of coffee, right? So grab your cups and let's start with today's episode. Stay tuned with me till the end of the episode because we're going to be talking a lot about AI today. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you've still not subscribed, I bring meaningful content that helps you in your career, that helps you in your professional life, and in some way adds a little flavor to your personal life too. So let's get started. I believe that artificial intelligence or AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's rapidly transforming our lives, our workplace. Whether you're into marketing, finance, IT, HR, legal, no matter which vertical you're working, AI tools are enhancing our productivity, automating any repetitive tasks that we have to day on day-to-day basis, and enabling our data-driven decision-making ability for us. From recommendation systems on Netflix and Spotify to voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI has been quietly changing the way we live and we work. But here's what's exciting. 2025 is the year AI is becoming truly personal. It's not just about making our lives easier, but it's also about making us smarter, more productive, and more creative. For example, tools like Grammarly don't just correct your grammar, they enhance your communication. Platforms like ChatGPT, yes, this very technology can assist you with brainstorming, drafting of reports, and even if you want to learn a new skill. A report by McKinsey in the past has clearly stated that 90% of the businesses by 2025 plan to integrate AI in their businesses. As per another survey, 76% of the employees feel that AI tools can improve their productivity, especially in hybrid or remote work environments. And another report stated that 45% of repetitive tasks AI can automate for us, which allows professionals to then focus on high value activities. Now, AI comes with a lot of myths that we start believing that they are reality. So let me share with you some of the common myths about AI and then also tell you what is the real version of it or what's the reality with it. The first myth, which is a very common one, I keep hearing now every now and then from other people, I keep reading it as well, and there's always debates and discussions around it, that AI will take away our jobs, we're going to be jobless, I will not have my job tomorrow because AI is going to take my job. Well, in reality, AI will only automate repetitive tasks. It will allow us to focus on more creative, strategic, and high value assignments. For example, instead of manually compiling reports, finance teams can use AI tool to analyze the trends and make appropriate recommendations. The next myth is that only tech professionals can benefit from AI, whereas the reality is that AI is reshaping all the industries, from marketers leveraging customer insights to teachers creating adaptive learning experiences for their students. Another myth that I've heard is that AI is too complex a tool to use. Even I used to feel the same until I really started using tools like Grammarly, ChatGPT, and I felt that these tools are actually adding and easing my work, saving a lot of time for me and are making me more productive. Many AI platforms are zero code or very low code as they are designed to be intuitive for non-technical users as well. So yes, AI is not just for technical people, but it's for everybody. And it's not that complex to use. I think you just need to have an open mind, Try out different AI platforms, and when you start using them, you will realize, oh, this was so simple. I don't know why I was not using it. Now, let's talk about career growth. AI has become the ultimate career coach, helping professionals like you and me to level up. Let me share with you some of the ways how AI is helping us in our workplace or in our careers. First, time management. Tools like Clockwise use AI to optimize your calendar, ensuring that you have dedicated time to focus while managing your meetings very effectively. It also helps you in developing your skills, in improving your skills. AI based platforms like Coursera and Duolingo adapt learning paths to your pace and your style, making it easier than ever to upskill. It also is helping you take data driven decisions. AI powered platforms like Tableau and Power BI help you uncover insight and trends into your data. For example, a sales professional uses AI to forecast quarterly sales, and hence he is able to make more informed decisions. See, the takeaway here is that AI is not replacing us. It's augmenting our capabilities, enabling us to focus on what truly matters, which is creativity, strategy, and problem solving. But AI isn't just about all work. It's also about rediscovering your passions. You can use AI to actually enhance your creativity, follow some hobbies. Tools like DALL-E and Midjourney help artists to create stunning visuals, while platforms like Amper Music lets aspiring musicians compose their tracks effortlessly. AI-based fitness platforms like Fitbod and MyFitnessPal create personalized workout and diet plans to suit your goals. Here, I'd also like to give you my personal example, because if you want to write something, if you want to become an author, you are fond of writing and you want to enhance that skill of yours, it actually helps you with writing as well. So I wanted to publish my book. So in the year 2023, October, I published my first book, Career Chaos and Coffee Stains. It's available on Amazon. If you want to grab a copy, it's a great book if you just started your career and you want to see what is the chaos in our work life. I think you'll find that book really, really useful. So you can grab a copy if you really want from Amazon. I'm also sharing the link of my book, which you can grab from Amazon. So aspiring authors like me, I wanted to write a book, right? I'm sure there are many other aspiring authors and storytellers. They can use tools like Jasper AI, ChatGPT to outline and draft their stories. Now, when I wanted to write that book, it's not like I made ChatGPT write from first word till the last word. ChatGPT wrote my book. No, I used ChatGPT as my assistant, as somebody that I was brainstorming in terms of, I have a plot in mind. Now, I want to write a book, something that depicts my professional journey. I want to add a lot of chaos that we face in our work life. I want to add that to my storyline as well. And so, yes, so I used to write a draft. I used to, discuss it with ChatGPT, and ChatGPT used to add another flavor to it. And whichever flavor that I liked, I used to pick and choose that. And hence, so you can use tools which can actually help you in moving forward, which can actually help you in exploring different passions that you have, your hobbies as well. So AI is your silent partner, helping you stay consistent, creative, and curious in both your personal and your professional lives. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. While AI offers immense potential, there are challenges also that we have to acknowledge. Relying solely on AI for decision making can actually can stop our critical thinking ability. Remember, AI is just a tool. It's not a replacement for human thinking or human intuition. Many AI tools collect and process your personal information. So always ensure that you're using trusted platforms which has strong privacy policies. And this also leads to ethical concerns. AI biases can often lead to unfair outcomes. As professionals, we must stay alert on how AI is impacting our hiring, our promotions, or even for that matter, how we are even servicing our customers. The key is to strike a balance. Use AI as a tool, but never lose sight of the human element. Looking ahead, 2025 promises to be a transformative year for AI. We can actually see a lot of hyper personalization happening in AI. AI will create highly personalized experiences from professional development plans to customer interactions. AI will no longer be just a tool. It'll become a collaborative partner. So which means we are giving a promotion to AI that we're making him as a collaborative partner who will work along with us in real time. And because, previously in the past years, we did not see too many rules and regulations in terms of privacy, in terms of disclaimers coming in. But now that AI is becoming such an important part of our lives, and more and more people, more and more businesses, more and more professionals have started relying on AI to either collaborate, to either brainstorm, or to reduce their work stress, to add a little flavor to their work, or to help them be more fitter, more healthier, more productive at their workplace, we can really expect to see some strict regulations and some ethical framework which will ensure fair and responsible use of AI. The new normal, remember I said the new normal? AI isn't just a technology. It's becoming an integral part of who we are and how we operate. The question is not if you're going to be using AI. It's how well are you ready to embrace artificial intelligence. So are you ready to harness the power of AI to grow in your career and explore your passions? Start small, experiment with tools, and stay curious. Let me tell you, the possibilities are endless. And 2025 is your year to shine with AI by your side. Not in the front, not at the back, but by your side. With this, we come to the end of our episode. If you found this episode useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on leveraging technology for personal and professional growth. Let's all make the year 2025 a year of innovation and success. I'm going to see you in my next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.